Netflix and Sony puts a hold on Will Smith films following Oscar slap. Netflix and Sony puts a hold on Will Smith films following Oscar slap. Will Smith's upcoming film, Fast and Loose, will not be going into production anytime soon after Netflix put it on the back burner. The streaming giant has put a hold on the 53-year-old actor's project in the wake of the controversy from his shocking Oscar slap, according to reports from the Daily Mail. It is reported that the film had already lost its intended director prior to Smith slapping comedian and presenter Chris Rock at the ceremony, further complicating the film's path to being shot. In the convoluted crime thriller, Smith plays a man who wakes up in Tijuana after suffering a bout of amnesia from an assault. But as he investigates his origins and regains pieces of his memories, he realizes that he was a crime boss who also worked undercover as a CIA agent. Netflix reportedly was hesitant to move forward with Smith in the lead role following his controversial attack on live television. However, it is not known if the project will be killed, or if Netflix will just find another star and director pair to lead it. The Daily Mail reported that Smith still has some projects coming up that were in the works prior to his Oscars debacle. This includes Bad Boys 4, which the actor was developing for Sony. However, the Daily Mail said that a source has revealed that a hold has been placed on that project as well for the time being. The star had already sent 40 pages of the screenplay prior to the Oscars ceremony. On Friday, the actor announced his resignation from the Academy, which means that he will not be able to vote for the Oscars or attend special Academy events in the future. However, he will still be eligible for future Oscar nominations. Brought to you by Jamaica News.